Well, today I've picked up a hitchhiker coming across the paddock, and one of my dogs frightened him and he nearly went into the pond, a deep pond, a water hole. Anyway, I'm just giving him a ride back to the dairy, and we'll give him dry off, and we'll ring the wildlife protection people up and they can take him away. He's only a fairly little young bloke he is. Not too worried. He jumped up on the bike easily. So he seems to be hanging on and he likes the ride. So just got to be careful he doesn't fall off. Got a good grip on the handlebars.